voiceover is going to be different because my daughter is right here and I'm sure she's going to be talking. Say hey, Devin. Say hey. Okay, maybe not. But yes, back with another tutorial, like 2 YouTube videos in a week. Well, I mean, Sunday, start of a new week, but I mean, 2 within the next, within days of each other. That's huge for me, seriously. But this voiceover, I am going to go into detail on how I achieved this look. So first, I took a flat brush. Y'all, wait, first off. Well, no, let me go ahead because, the clips are going really fast. So first, I took a flat brush and patted a dark blue. So I'm all over the place. The palette I use is the Carnival XL Pro palette, STACEY Marie from BPERFECT Cosmetics. And I used that's the only palette I use for this look. And I took the dark blue. Hold on, y'all. Let me go get it. So I took the Mood shade and I patted that in a C shape on my eye first. And then I took Make Waves and I lightly, see, I told y'all, I lightly took, I took that on a blending brush and I lightly started patting that on top of the dark blue. And then I took Ecstasy and lightly tapped that over the blue. And then I kept going back in with those 3 colors to get the color payoff that I wanted. So that's what y'all are seeing here. Me going back and forth trying to make sure that I don't lose any of the colors. And now I'm taking a baby wipe and I am wiping off the excess eyeshadow off of my lid, so when I cut the crease, it doesn't bleed through. So I cut the clip. I don't know what happened to the clip, but where I was cutting my crease, and now same palette, putting the colors on my lid. So I'm doing it in the same technique that I did the crease, basically. And the only different colors that I used was white and yellow. So we're just going to blend those colors into each other, like so. Sing it, baby. So yeah, I'm just blending those into each other. And then, y'all, while I'm listening to Let It Go, the EP, over and over and over again. I didn't change it until I got back to when I started doing my foundation. Like, it kept playing over and over again. I was vibing too, like. Oh, and also, I had to cut out so many clips of me licking my lips. I'm like, so next time, I'm gonna have to put a reminder, like, put some damn lip gloss on the list. Because a while ago, I had used some face cream, Nair face cream, to remove hair from my lip, from my mustache, or whatever. Because I feel like that lasts longer than me taking a razor or whatever. And I guess I left it on too long, and it burned through, like, the top of my lip on the left. So, like, if I don't have on any lip gloss, there's like a white cast just right there. So freaking embarrassing. And you can see it on the video, like, it's right there. So now I'm taking NYX matte eyeliner and, of course, giving myself a little wing. And y'all, please take your time with this, because you can literally fuck your look up if you mess up the eyeliner. Okay? So please take your time with this. I sped the clips up, so don't think that I'm just, well, I am, but in a slower, more careful notion. because I haven't used any, I haven't used a applicator like this in a while. I usually use the pens, but I kind of missed, you know, using these because, I mean, the pens are really dry and hard to work with, in my opinion. But yeah, I was really happy with how it turned out because it's sharp. I mean, I did go back in with concealer to clean it up, but still sharp. So now I'm taking the e.l.f. Putty Primer, applying that. At first I applied it with my fingers, not knowing I had all of those eyeshadows on my fingers. I don't even know how. And when I looked back in the camera, I'm like, oh my God. Like, that's what the clip was when all this shit was on my face. But yeah, I'm just putting, you know, letting that sink into my skin before I apply my foundation. But I don't know why the camera was focusing on this Morphe contour thing and not my face, because it's face detected. So I was confused as to why it was focusing on that and not focusing on me. That's what I'm saying, Devin. That's what I'm saying. We're just gonna blend out the foundation. And the night that I recorded this, I went to Walmart and I meant to grab me my all-time fave, the Maybelline Matte, well, Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, but I forgot. Because like I said, I hate this foundation. Girl, give me that. Y'all, she went in there and got my palette and got my brushes. I feel like Devin is definitely going to be into makeup because she's always into my makeup. You know how like singers, they have kids and then their kids follow their footsteps? I think that's what Devin is going to do with me in makeup. And now I'm taking this concealer and putting it under my eyes, on my lip, well, above my lip, and down the bridge of my nose and on my forehead. What? Y'all, I told y'all. Devin was gonna be talking. If I ignore her, I wonder if she'll stop. You want a Kit Kat? Okay. No, and y'all, I don't know why, but my beauty blender, I don't know, I think it was wet. And it was like making the concealer separate. Well, I got this concealer from the hair store, beauty supply store. I don't remember the name of it, but I feel like it works pretty good. But you do have to let it sit on your face for a little while so that you get, you know, the coverage you want. But I really feel like I'm going to start investing in Born This Way concealer, because when I say that stuff is fire, like, it is so fire to me. And I didn't even buy the one that I have, that I own. I got it in my BoxyCharm subscription. And that's what I said that I was going to do on the channel too, is include like a segment whenever I get my BoxyCharm box. I was going to, you know, record a video of how, record a tutorial of me using the things that I got in my BoxyCharm. And hopefully BoxyCharm starts sponsoring my videos. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're just gonna blend that out. In the Born This Way concealer, y'all will see it. It'll be the lighter concealer that I use after I get done blending everything out. And now I be going hard with them brushes. When I be looking back at the footage, I be like, doing the most. So this is the concealer that I was talking about. In this method, like, I would have never thought to, you know, use something that light on my face or my skin. But the way that this works, like, you have to use what you normally use and then use a concealer like next to or up a color from what you were using normally, what you would normally use, and then, you know, use that lighter concealer, because with the one that you normally use under that, it's not going to be like you a ghost. Like, it's not going to be like too bright, because something under that is closer to your skin tone, and then under that concealer is your foundation. So definitely try that method out, because I love a bright under eye. I feel like it brings the face together and it makes your contour pop out more if your under eyes are lighter. Okay, now we're gonna take my contour powder and blend that in upwards so we can blend together the under eye highlight and the contour so it's not harsh. And then in the middle of that, we're gonna put blush. And this year is when I started wearing blush. At first I did not wear blush, but blush really brings everything together. Seriously. I was surprised with how this look came out, and it happened, like, the eyeshadow, it didn't take me no time. Like, I feel like it took me like 22 minutes. 22 or 33 minutes. And so, once you start applying the blush, please remember to blend, like, just like eyeshadow, you have to blend everything together on your face so you don't be looking splotchy, crazy, clown, Marie, you know? And now I'm taking a denser face brush and putting some setting powder on that so I can further blend my under eye with the blush. Okay, and now we're putting lash glue on our lash line and also our lashes so they can stick. I curl my lashes, so I curled my lashes before I applied them. Everything was dry, and boom, application easy. 3, 2, 1, boom, bad bitch status. Okay. See, the camera was focusing on everything else but my face. Look at my ashy ass hands. Embarrassing. Yeah, I don't even review the audio. It just be like, boom. There we go. So now I'm taking the white shadow and blending that kind of downwards so that it's just not right there at the tear duct, kind of down a little bit further. I don't know. It just looks better. Look at me. I'm trying to see if I can hear anything, because I kept dropping stuff and my alarm is really sensitive, so I didn't want to drop anything and the alarm go off because my daughter was asleep. Yeah, I feel like that blue liner really brought things together. Okay, maybe I needed to be closer so I could have been in focus. Now that I'm seeing that when I leaned forward, y'all saw that I came into focus. Then when I'm back, it's like blurry. So now we're going to take the baby wipe and wipe off that foundation concealer off the lips. And then we're going to line our lips with this NYX brown lip liner. We're gonna take Abu Dhabi NYX Butter Gloss. What is it? Butter Gloss? No, Soft Matte Lip Cream. And I don't know what was going on there, but we're gonna apply that on the lips. And it takes a while for that to dry. So what I do is tap it in with some translucent powder, and y'all will see it because I recorded that too. And also, when you line your lips and apply lip color, please blend the lip liner and the lip color together so it don't look crazy. Like I said, everything has to be blended. Okay. But this is me applying the translucent powder so that the matte cream will dry. And we're going to spray our face with the setting mist from Morphe, my favorite. And now we're going to apply highlight, and I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit. I had forgot to contour my nose. I knew something was looking funny. I'm like, oh, something is not right. I literally just learned how to contour my nose this year, like a couple months ago, actually. But I'm still learning though, too. And because I'm applying powder again, I am going to have to set my face again because I don't want one part to be powdery and then the rest of my face is just like melted, you know? This is me again. And this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. More to come. Peace to the Middle East. Bye.